Meet ROMA, Recursive Open Meta Agents, a groundbreaking open source framework for building hierarchical, high-performance, multi-agent systems. Think of it as the best open source alternative to deep research, in fact. In benchmarks, ROMA has outperformed closed source giants like Kimi-Researcher, Grok 4, Gemini 2.5 Pro, and OpenAI o3 Pro. Here's how it works. ROMA uses a recursive hierarchical structure to break down complex problems into parallelizable subtasks, so agents can collaborate efficiently. And unlike black box systems, ROMA is fully transparent. You can see every step, making debugging and optimization far easier. It comes with specialized agents out of the box, a general purpose solver, a deep learning agent, and even a financial analysis agent. Setup is simple with a one-click install script or Docker container, and it's all open source under the MIT license, so you can use it commercially. If you're serious about building advanced AI workflows with clarity and performance, ROMA is a project you need to explore. Check it out on GitHub, link in the description.